guys, how's everyone doing? Today I've got a free UK drill pattern for you guys inside FL Studio for the drums.
Live on the beat.
Now this drill pattern, guys, is free to use and free to download, and I will leave a link below in my description, but this is what it sounds like. Check it out.
On the beat.
I left out the bass as I'm still working on this beat. And you guys get the point, and then it goes to the chorus, which is over here. And so on. Now, what is inside this drum pattern? Well, I am using the gassed free UK royalty-free drum kit. I will leave a link below, so you guys will need to download this in order for this FLP to work correctly and load it up. But this is the drum pattern anyway, if you guys just want to program it in, and this is what it sounds like. And then we've got the drum pattern 4 going pattern 4, pattern 4. Then it goes down to pattern 3, which is just a kick removed. And then it goes back to pattern 4 again. And if you guys look at the playlist here, that this is exactly what I've done. Pattern 4, pattern 4, pattern 3, pattern 4. Pattern 4, pattern 4, pattern 3, pattern 4. And that pretty much duplicates itself. Very simple UK drill drum pattern. You guys can add more sounds to it, play around with it, improve it, do whatever. So once you guys download this, you're gonna have this inside the FLP, which there's a free download link below. Once you guys get this set up, you can pretty much produce your own UK drill style type of track. Once you guys download it, there's just 4 sounds within this drum pattern, as you guys can see. Pattern 4, pattern 3, back to pattern 4. And this is free to use. Obviously, again, you're gonna need the gas drum kit, and put this FLP inside the gas drum kit samples. Once you load it up, all the samples will load up as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Again, make sure that you subscribe and hit the like below if you like this drum pattern. Very simple, but can be progressive if you add more instruments to it. Make sure that you drop a comment below. Do you guys like UK drill type of beats? What is your favorite kind of drum pattern? Again, we upload drum patterns every Wednesday. Apart from that, peace out, subscribe, and ciao.